Earth murdered a planet to make the moon.
Scientists just proved it.
What? No! That was 4.5 billion years ago! Why are we bringing up ancient history?
This is rich. Earth didn't just find a secret, she revealed that Mars has been electrocuting his own space probes for billions of years.
Hold on. What's this about scientists discovering something in November?
Scientists analyzed moon rocks from the Apollo missions. They used iron isotope ratios to trace where the moon's material came from.
Evidence shows that Theia, the planet that created the moon, was Earth's neighbor in the inner solar system. You two grew up together.
Okay, fine. Theia and I were neighbors. We formed from the same material, closer to the sun than where I am now. But it was an accident. An accident? You collided with an entire planet! Tell us what happened!
4.5 billion years ago, I was still forming. Theia was about the size of Mars. Something knocked Theia off course.
We collided at incredible speeds. The impact was so violent that both of us melted into magma oceans.
Wait, so I'm made of both of you? Mostly Earth material, but with pieces of Theia mixed in?
So the moon formed in hours, not years? And scientists only just figured out Theia was your neighbor?
That's incredible. The Earth and Moon have nearly identical isotope compositions. That only makes sense if Theia formed nearby using the same cosmic ingredients as Earth.
But Earth? You still destroyed an entire planet. Theia would have become a full planet if you hadn't obliterated it.
But look what came from it! Moon stabilizes my axis so my climate doesn't swing wildly. Without Moon, I'd wobble like crazy. I create tides that mix the oceans and support marine life. I slow Earth's rotation. I'm kind of essential for life existing there at all. Without Moon, Earth's axis tilt would vary wildly. You'd swing between ice ages and superheated periods within centuries. Total climate chaos. Okay, fine. So it wasn't murder. It was more like a cosmic accident that accidentally created the perfect conditions for life.
Lucky collision?
I guess I should thank Theia. She gave up her existence so the moon could form. Without that collision, life on me might never have happened.
Still the most dramatic origin story in the solar system, though. Earth literally needed to destroy a planet to become interesting.
The November discovery proved Theia formed in the inner solar system as Earth's neighbor.
The collision created both Moon and the stable conditions Earth needed for life.
I'm so done. My life is just a never-ending, tilted mess. Buddy, you look scorched. You've been tilted with the sun facing your pole for months. You should have rotated into autumn by now.
Oh no, Neptune. My seasons last for 21 Earth years. I forgot how long my summer is.
Your extreme axial tilt, dear. That means your North Pole gets 21 straight years of direct sun.
Stop staring. It's not my fault. I didn't ask to spin like this. It wasn't your fault. Billions of years ago, something huge smashed right into you, knocking you onto your side. That impact is why you're a rolling mess. Wow. So I'm not clumsy, I'm just incredibly resilient. Yeah, you're not clumsy. You're just doing the cosmic equivalent of a permanent cartwheel. Whoa, what is that? It's just sucking everything in. We found a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Has anyone seen that weird, super dark spot out there? It's emptier than usual empty space.
Oh, Mercury, don't worry about every little shadow. Probably just a cosmic dust bunny. Focus on your orbit.
It's not a dust bunny. It's pulling me. I can't stop spinning towards it. Whoa, Mercury! That's no dust bunny. That's a black hole. A black hole isn't empty space, Mercury. It's the leftovers of a supergiant star that collapsed in on itself.
And that edge, Mercury, is called the event horizon. Cross that, and not even light can escape its pull. It's truly a point of no return.
So it's really like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but for everything. Even us. Only if you get super, super close, Earth. Black holes are powerful, but they mostly just suck in things that are already way too near. Our sun is way too far away to ever get sucked in. So no, it won't vacuum us up. Whew. That's a relief. I don't want to be vacuum dust.
You know what makes me special? I have the coolest moon in the inner solar system. It controls my tides, lights up my nights, and my Earthlings just love staring at it. They even wrote songs about it.
I mean, I'm basically Earth's twin in size and mass. We're neighbors. But somehow I don't have a single moon. Earth never lets me forget it. It's like being the only planet without a +1 to the cosmic dance.
Yeah, tell me about it. I don't have any moons either. At least you're big, Venus. I'm the smallest planet, and everyone just assumes I'm too pathetic to have one. Even Pluto used to have more moons than me, and he's not even a planet anymore.
My moon is so reliable. It's been with me for over 4 billion years. Best cosmic companion ever.
Hey there, Earth. Let's talk about why you two don't have moons. Mercury, buddy, you're in a tough spot that has nothing to do with being pathetic.
You see, Mercury, you're so close to the sun and so small that your hill sphere is absolutely tiny.
What's a hill sphere?
The hill sphere is the region where your gravity is the strongest force. Any moon inside that zone will orbit you instead of the sun. And your hill sphere is only about 175,000 kilometers.
Simply put, Mercury, darling, any moon that tried to orbit you would be like a paper boat in a hurricane. The sun's gravity would just snatch it away faster than you can say orbital mechanics.
You never stood a chance, sweetie.
Okay, but what about me? I'm almost as big as Earth. I'm 80% of Earth's mass. My hill sphere should be fine, so why am I moonless too?
Oh, Venus, my dear, you're asking the wrong question. Scientists have run simulations, and they suggest something fascinating.
The question isn't why you don't have a moon. It's what happened to the moon you probably once had.
Wait, what? I had a moon? I had a moon and lost it? That's not just embarrassing, that's tragic!
Based on planetary formation models, scientists think that about 4 billion years ago, you got smacked by something huge. The debris from that collision likely formed a moon, just like Earth's. It started orbiting and slowly drifting away, like a normal moon should.
But then, research suggests something catastrophic happened. Roughly 10 million years later, a second massive impact may have struck from the opposite direction. This collision could have slowed your spin, reversed it entirely, and sealed your moon's fate.
When a planet rotates backwards relative to its moon's orbit, tidal forces work in reverse. Instead of pushing the moon away like Earth does, Venus, you started absorbing your moon's orbital energy. You basically pulled it into a cosmic bear hug of doom.
If this theory is correct, once your moon crossed the Roche limit, your gravity would have torn it to pieces. The debris would have rained down onto your surface over millions of years. Your moon didn't escape, darling. It came home in the most dramatic way possible.
So I didn't just fail to get a moon. According to this theory, I had one, and my backwards rotation destroyed it. That's so much worse than never having one. It's like ghosting your best friend by accidentally crushing them.
Hey, at least we're moonless together, right? I never had a chance because of the sun. You might have lost yours to bad physics. We're like the moonless support group of the inner solar system.
Should we start a club? Mercury's hill sphere is merely 175,000 kilometers. Venus's extends to about 1 million kilometers.
And Earth's reaches 1.5 million kilometers. Distance from the sun is everything, darlings.
You both orbit in the sun's intense gravitational neighborhood.
Mercury never had the mass or distance.
Venus probably had a chance but lost it to catastrophically bad timing. It's not a failure, it's just physics being dramatic as usual.
I'm really sorry for bragging, you two. I didn't know about all this cosmic tragedy. I just got lucky with my distance from the sun and that my moon stuck around after forming. I should have been way more sensitive. I feel like such a jerk now.
Well, if I did lose my moon 4 billion years ago, I'm still here, still the hottest planet, still fabulous. Besides, my thick atmosphere and retrograde rotation make me unforgettable in other ways. Who needs a moon when you've got this personality?
Yeah! And I may be small, but I'm the fastest orbiter and closest to the sun. I survive temperatures that would melt lead.
Who needs a moon when you're basically a speed demon living in an oven? I'm hardcore. Every planet's story is different, friends. I have 95 moons because I'm massive and far from the sun. You three have your own special circumstances. That's what makes the solar system interesting. If we were all the same, space would be boring.
So basically, Mercury and Venus have no moons because the sun's gravity dominates the inner solar system.
That makes stable moon orbits nearly impossible. Scientific models suggest Venus likely had a moon but may have lost it to reverse tidal forces after a second impact changed its rotation.
Well, I feel better knowing the science behind it. At least if my moon did ditch me, there was a whole cosmic catastrophe involved. 2 giant impacts and backwards physics? That's not just tragic, that's Oscar-worthy drama.
You can blast me, son? My magnetic shield is unbreakable. Ugh, I feel so weak and dizzy. I think my core is taking a nap. What's going on? That dizziness means your liquid iron core is slowing down. Your magnetosphere is flickering.
Time for a morning wake-up call. Take that, magnetic shield.
Ouch! That went right through. My shield is gone! Welcome to my world. That's the solar wind. It's always blowing. Without your magnetic shield, you're getting hit just like me.
Atmosphere. It's blowing away. I can't breathe, and my air is getting completely messed up.
Your magnetic field is made by the incredible power of your spinning liquid iron core. It acts like a giant electric generator. So if that core stops spinning, the magnetic shield disappears. The shield is gone. The solar wind will keep blowing until it strips away all my air. I'll end up dry and dead like Mars. I'm being scorched. I'm being scorched and all my water is boiling away.
That's what happens when you don't keep your core cool, Earth. You're gonna end up dry and rusty like me.
Relax. It takes billions of years for a core to cool.
Yes, the final answer is, if your core cooled, you'd lose your shield, and the solar wind would slowly strip away your atmosphere.